It seems we are never that happy with ourselves. Things could always be better. If only we had a bigger house, more money, or a better job, then life would be perfect, or so we think. What are we really looking for in life? And is it really worth the struggle? We go through life day in, day out, wishing there could be another way. Tsem Rinpoche's book, Why I Make Myself Unhappy, gives you another way. Tsem Rinpoche recently gifted singer-songwriter Annie Lennox with this book, and this was what she wrote in return.
Why I Make Myself Unhappy is available at Kechara outlets, Malaysia, and online at buddhistsecrets.com.